Welcome to 5766 Springfish Place. This spacious 3-level, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome is located in Waldorf, Maryland, in the sought-after neighborhood of St. Charles, Dorchester. The home features an inviting and stately front porch and boasts over 1,800 square feet of living space. The kitchen has been outfitted with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and has space for a dining table. An open floor plan finishes off the main level with a sun-filled living room and formal dining room. The upper level features a charming master bedroom with double closets, 2 additional bedrooms, and a full bathroom located in the hallway. Low maintenance and durable laminate flooring has been installed throughout the home. The lower level is where you will find the 4th bedroom, a family room with an adjacent game room, and the 2nd full bathroom. The backyard is fully fenced, backs to woods for privacy, and has a patio where you can entertain or just relax. Looking for things to do? Then simply take advantage of the many neighborhood amenities, including the exclusive pool, tennis court, and playground. The home is located close to schools, dining, shopping, and entertainment, and is also located within 5 minutes of a transportation hub, which allows for an effortless commute to DC, Virginia, and surrounding military installations. What are you waiting for? Contact me today to schedule an appointment.